Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade V50 and I want to show you how to add remove magnification on this device. Our first step to do this is from menu we must go to the settings and it navigate to the features option and now usability where we have our magnification. When we tap on it we must switch on, confirm I got it, and we have our magnification logo and which position we can easily change by tap and change. To zoom our screen must press on it and now tap on the screen. To change position of our zoom we must use two finger and we can change position of zoom. To turn off it we press on our magnification again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.